everyone, I'm Trey, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about the keto diet. A few years ago, I would have told you that eating foods like bacon and cheese and hamburger meat, eggs and lobster would all help you lose weight. You'd probably look at me like I was crazy and go try some diet that told you to eat only vegetables. But you may have heard about this new trend in the dieting world called the keto diet and all the benefits that come along with it. The main benefit being weight loss. It's a great way to lose weight. But there are also other benefits like increased mental clarity and more energy throughout the day. And you might be wondering, how is this even possible? Well, it's actually pretty simple. What you're doing is getting your body to burn fat by changing the kinds of food that you eat. It sounds easy, right? It's not rocket science, but there is a little bit of science involved, so let's get into it. On a regular diet, we eat lots of carbs and sugars, and what our body does is takes those carbs and sugars and converts them into glucose. Glucose is like the fuel that your body uses, almost like a car runs on gasoline. But what if we were to stop eating carbs? What's gonna happen? You're not gonna die. What'll happen is your body will adapt and start to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. And this process is called ketosis. Now, you may be wondering, why would I even want to put a different kind of fuel in my car? Isn't it gonna break down? Well, fortunately our body is more sophisticated than that. And what happens is it adapts to the new fuel, to the fat instead of the glucose. And you'll notice that there are several key benefits when you're doing this. Now, first, and for many most importantly, you're gonna lose weight, including stored fat that you have on your body. What happens is once you burn off all the stored glucose in your body, is it switches again and starts to burn fat. And that fat is converted into ketones, which is the energy that your body runs off of instead of glucose. So that's gonna allow you to burn off the stored fat that you have on your body and convert that into energy instead. A second benefit, which also ties in with weight loss, is appetite control. When you limit carbs and sugars, you're gonna limit the cravings that you have throughout the day. And the reason why is your body really likes glucose. When you eat it, depending on the kinds of foods that you eat, you have these spikes in energy, these kind of highs, which naturally leads to a low. And when you're on those lows, on those crashes, your body craves more glucose, and that's what cravings are. Now, one of the reasons keto works so well is because it limits those cravings. When you're not using carbs and sugar for energy and fat instead, you're gonna have a more stable appetite, which means that you're not gonna be craving things throughout the day. Which also leads into our third benefit, that you're gonna have more stable energy throughout the day. So if you're not on a roller coaster anymore, there's no more crashes, no more low points. Instead, you're gonna be able to stay focused longer, and that's gonna lead to more increased mental clarity and more energy throughout the day. So what can you eat on the keto diet? Well, what you wanna do is limit yourself to 5% of your calories from carbs, 20% from protein, and 75% from fat. Which means you don't have to give up foods you love, like bacon, cheese, eggs, lobster, avocado. You just wanna watch out for foods that are high in carbs and sugars, like potatoes and breads and pastas and fruits. So again, you're limiting certain foods high in carbs and sugars and replacing them with fatty, delicious foods instead. So you can stay satisfied. There's no need to starve yourself. Just remember, the key to receiving all these benefits is staying in ketosis. By eating those fatty foods, you're turning your body into a fat-burning machine, which can really eliminate all that stored fat on your body. Of course, no one's perfect. So check out our next video on 5 ways to get back into ketosis if you fall out of it, or if it's your first time getting in ketosis to do it faster. I'll even share one of my secret tricks on how to stay in ketosis after cheating. So see you on the next video.